In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your subscription orders. So let's first go ahead and create a new subscription product and place an order for that product. So I'm going to navigate over to my products over here on the left-hand side, and I'm going to create a new product. So I'm just going to add a product and call this subscription products. All right, I'm going to give it a price of $500. And yes, it's a subscription, and we'll say it's once a month, and we're going to hit save. All right, so now that I've created that product, I want to go ahead and place an order for it. So I'm going to come to my orders, and again, I'm going to go to my drafts, add a draft, choose Bob, and Bob is going to go ahead and buy that subscription product, and we're going to hit save. All right, so now that we've done that, we need to collect our payment. So we're going to collect our payment. Just go to more actions, collect payment, cash, sure, record that payment, and there we go. So now to manage that subscription order, we're going to come here to our subscriptions on the left-hand side, and here you'll find our subscription product. So we're going to click in here, and from here you can change which product it is, you can change the quantity, you can change the price as well. So you can click on the price and you can adapt that price and change the interval if you need to. You can also change the status, so if it's active, cancelled, completed, paused, or pending. You can limit the subscription here, so you can say yes, I want to limit it to 5 repeats. And then you can also choose when the next repeat date is. So if it's going to repeat today or if it's going to repeat on the 1st, so you can change the repeat date itself as well. You can also view all of the activity history for this particular subscription. Over here on the right-hand side, you can see all of the order details, who this belongs to, if it's a recurring order, the original order number, the repeat count, how many max repeats there are, the interval, the status, and the payment method, billing details, etc. So that is how you can go ahead and start managing the subscription orders within your system. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can issue vouchers from the system. I'll see you there.